we're in Tranquil Bay on anchor because I went to pontoon and the wind came this morning and started.
We woke up. We were at 45 degrees to the quayside.
Yeah. So it was windy and raining, and look at it now. They don't call it Tranquil Bay for nothing, do they? It's nice, glorious day again. So here's your coffee.
Just 1 second.
So we're going to try the dinghy
for the
first time. Ooh.
Cheers.
My cup, favorite sailor's mug. Right, Alona, girls are waiting to go ashore. They know what dinghy means. That is getting the dinghy ready. Aliona's still collected already.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry, girls, but you're gonna have to move from there because I need to put the ball fenders in.
Look, someone's gonna jump. Truffle is waiting patiently. You wait here. You hear me? No jumping in the dinghy. That is not ready. Dinghy is not ready. All right. Stay. Alona, иди ко мне. Иди, good girl. Keep out of his way. Trust, stay. Is it heavy?
Very heavy. It's heavier than the old one.
I suppose. No. Стрелка, нет.
Нет.
Стрелка, ко мне. Стрелка.
Stop it.
Nearly there, girls. Та-да! Нет. Stay, сядь. Стрелка, сядь. Stay. Are you ready for them? No.
No.
He's not ready for you yet. No. Okay. As well.
It's a separate can, look.
I understand the separate. I understand the separate can. So my question is, so you have to have a can on board as well.
Yes. Watch and learn.
You have to be patient. He's not going without you. No, he's not. Don't worry. Oh, 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 oh. Now, calm down. Who is this? Who is this?
Looks like I'm rowing.
Kidding. Let's go back on the pontoon. Put the outboard. Let's go back on the pontoon. I mean on the town key.
Serious?
Only for a few hours.
That's what it is, yeah.
We're leaving the dinghy. Just let's move the dinghy at the middle. Girls, after all, we're leaving. Yeah, you can sort the outboard, everything on a, and where. moored. Just, I'm gonna move the dinghy now, shall I?
Yes, move the dinghy.
Goes.
This back in.
Bad luck. I have to wait for, you know, a few minutes. We're lifting up, trying in 4, 6.
This guy seemed to know what to do.
So, not the best, but the condition is going to get worse, so we're doing it today because we want to, tomorrow it's going to be worse. We're doing it very brave, guys. What? Wet?
Yeah. Somebody left the hatches open again.
Oh no.
Why do you keep opening the hatches?
Because I need fresh air.
Well, that's fine, but then shut them afterwards.
That's the problem, isn't it?
Yeah.
When did it get wet? It didn't have rain.
We've had a lot of water splashing around us.
Guilty. As sin. Well, hopefully the worst moment is I managed to. And the wind seems to be much calmer now by the salt floor. Or maybe it's just here. Yeah, it looks better. The sea looks better. Typical, isn't it? But I think the most dangerous part is hopefully over. Where are they going to take us?
Yeah, it's full, isn't it?
Yeah, busy guys. It won't be by the sea, by the look of it. What?
When we're out of water, I think it's an alien environment for a boat.
Yeah. Oh, reversing now. Very close. Oh my God. Shit.
Yeah.
Fenders. So bringing all the fenders up now, suppose.
I recognise the bike, you see.
Do you? Just have someone is happy. He's got his gears delivered. And the dogs are happy, aren't you? Watch out for our dogs. Alena, where are you going? Truffle, ко мне. Where is Стрелка?
Стрелка.
Always a trouble. Стрелка!
Стрелка.
We're going home. hate being in a boatyard for long. I mean, one day is more than enough, isn't it, Alona? But the view is too. So, a lot of water. Around. But doesn't seem to be structural damage. Alona, иди сюда. We're just taking the dogs and then we're waiting for the boat because Travel!
And we're just chopping the boat now, so we're just tapping to work out where the supports are inside the boat, so we're not putting the stands between ribs. While she's out, I'm probably going to give her a bit of a polish as well. Yeah. So there's a little bit of moisture at the top of the rudder. A little bit of cracking here. But overall, it's not looking too bad. We're down here. Delamination comes up here. So, they seem to think they can save it, so let's see how we get on. So on that note, we begin our journey home to the UK for Christmas. Unfortunately, the ferry from Igoumenitsa, there is a strike at the port. So we've got to travel overland. It's a heck of a journey, but yeah, so we make it, and we'll be back in the new year. If you like what we're doing, please hit the subscribe button and please leave a like. Thanks.